So good morning students, welcome back. Today we will discuss the formation of images by convex lens. Okay, so let's start the first case. Our first case is what? When an object is placed between optical center O and principal focus of lens. Look at students, this is the convex lens, this is the object. Okay, let it is AB. AB is the object. Okay, it is placed between optical center, the center of lens is called optical center, and this is principal focus. Object is placed between optical center and principal focus. Every object release the light rays. Okay, a rays incident, it get refract. Another rays incident, it pass straight. When the light passes from optical center, it pass straight. Okay, when we extend both the side, okay, it will intersect at that. So this will be the virtual image will obtain, okay, beyond the object. So this will be the image formed by the convex lens when object is placed between principal focus and optical center. This is enlarged, virtual, erect, and enlarged image will form beyond the object. The image will form beyond the object. Look at a rays incident, it get refract. Another rays incident will extend both the light rays. Okay, where it intersect will obtain virtual, enlarged, erect image beyond the object. Okay, students. Students, case second, when an object is placed between focus F and twice of the focal length 2F. Look at students, that is the lens, convex lens. Let AB is the object. This is the principal focus, and that is the twice of principal focus. Object is placed between F and 2F. Every object release light rays. A rays incident, it get refract. Another rays incident, both intersect at this point. So will obtain image. Okay, A dash and B dash. So look students, what happened? This time we will get real, inverted. Okay, inverted real and enlarged image beyond 2F. This is F, this is 2F. We will get image beyond 2F, after 2F, on other side of the lens. When object is placed between F and 2F, image will form beyond the 2F. It is real, inverted, enlarged, and other side of the lens. Okay, students? Third case, when an object is placed at 2F, twice of the focal length. This is the convex lens, and this object, let AB is object, and this object is placed at 2F. This is principal focus, and this is twice of focal length. Every object release light rays. A rays incident, it get refract. Another rays incident, it get refract. Okay, both intersect at this point. So when an object is placed at 2F, image will also form at 2F at other side of the lens. It is real, inverted, and equal to the size of the object. The size of height of object and height of image will be same, and it is formed, if object is 2F, image will also form at 2F. Okay. Now students, fourth case, when an object is placed at infinity. Look at students, this time object is placed at infinity. Okay, whenever the object is placed at a far distance at infinity, the parallel light rays comes. The convex lens, a rays incident, it pass straight. Another parallel light rays comes, it get refract. After passing lens, it get refract. Both intersect, at that will obtain image. And inverted real image will form. Image smaller than object is formed at the focus. The size of object, the size of image is smaller than the object. Okay, students? Fifth case, when an object is placed at focus, principal focus. This is the object. Okay, it is placed at focus. A rays incident, it get refract. Another rays incident pass straight. Okay. And look at students, both the light rays are parallel, passes parallel. So image will form at infinity. Okay. Whenever the light rays either coming or moving towards, moving as parallel, it will be at infinity. Okay. Real inverted image will form, and highly magnified image is formed at infinity. Okay, students. Now, students, sixth case, when an object is placed beyond 2f. This is convex lens. Its optical center, principal focus, twice of principal focus. An object is placed beyond 2f. A ray is incident, it get refract. Another ray is incident, both intersect, at which will obtain real and inverted image between f and 2f. So it is a reciprocal of that case. In this case, when object is placed beyond 2f, image will form between f and 2f. And in the first beginning case was when object is placed between f and 2f, image will form beyond 2f. So look at students, real, inverted and magnified image will form beyond f and 2f. Okay, sorry, between f and 2f when object is placed beyond 2f.